Hello, this is STEMcar, and today we're going to be learning about the difference between relations and functions. So, in math, a relation defines the relationship between sets of values of ordered pairs. So, both of these two pictures here are representing relations, and these two sets of ordered pairs are also representing relations. A function in math is from a set x to a set y, which assigns each element of x exactly 1 point of y. That means each time, each domain value can only occur once. It is important to remember that all functions are relations as well, but not all relations are functions. So to determine if a relation is a function, one way we can do that is a vertical line test. So with a vertical line test, what you do is you draw a vertical line through the graphs, and if that vertical line intersects two or more points, then that relation is not a function. So in this case, I can start off by drawing vertical lines. So that only intersects 1 point, so I'm good. This only intersects 1 point, I'm good. Now this intersects 2 points, so that means that this relation is not a function. So if I look at this second graph over here, I can do the same thing. I can draw vertical lines, and I can see that each vertical line is only passing 1 point. No matter how close or far I draw them from each other, each is only passing 1 point. That means that this is a function. Okay, so next I can look at these two sets of ordered pair. So in the first set, if I want to see if this is a function, that means each domain value can only occur once. So here there's a 2, so that means I can't have a 2 again. Here there's a 1, so I'm good. But here there's a 2 again, and it has a different value. It has a different range value. If this was 2, 1, then it would be okay because this is 2, 1. But since both of them have different range values, this is not a function. Now I have another question. Here's another question. So this has a domain value of 1, this has a domain value of 2, and this has a domain value of 3. And those are 3 different domain values, so that this means this is a function. Even though the range values are all the same, that doesn't matter, because when we're identifying the difference between a relation and a function, we don't care if the range values are the same. All we're looking for is if the domain values are the same.